Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone stuck on Samsung logo issue and Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 and 57, your phone has been stuck on Samsung logo or it's not turning on. So you just have to make a force restart to fix the issue. Now to make a force restart, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. And if your phone is turning on, you just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. In 15 seconds, the very first you might see a black screen here. Your phone screen goes completely black. Samsung logo will disappear. Now you will see the Samsung logo again here. Your phone will restart. Now if once your phone has been restarted, you just have to wait for it until it's complete or until it's restarted. And this time you might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.